Check this out, guys. Tallard sent me these massage seats here. We got one for the back, and we got one for the neck rest. So, I mean, obviously it was pretty easy to install. There really isn't an installation. You just kind of just sit it in place here, and then, you know, this neck pillow thing just goes right up here behind the headrest. I mean, they advertised this specifically for the Model 3 and Model Y, but quite frankly, this looks like it would fit in any car. You know, we need to run the power cable here for both these, the neck rest and the lower back, so we need to plug that in. Looks like on the side here, you can plug in the USB-C and the little controls there, and it should be the same for up here too. So go ahead and plug in that stuff and have this little cord here that it came with. Okay, got it all plugged in. Got the wire plugged in here to the side for the lower back, and then up here for the neck rest. Simply just plugged it in to the USB-C port here in the back. So, I mean, that's pretty easy. Oh, by the way, this screen, sweet. You gotta check that video out. Highly recommend that screen. It is awesome. Well, guys, have it on. It's interesting. It has like this little just vibrating feature to it. So it's not bad. It's the one in the neck, I mean, it's pretty light vibration. One in the back, you know, down here is kind of does the same thing, has like a little vibration pulse to it. So it's not bad. It's not great, but overall, I mean, if you're looking for something that has a little bit of massage feature to it, then this is probably something that's easily accessible and easily to install. Really, you just plug it into the USB-C port in the back there, and just turn it on. So if you have long commutes or going on long drives, you know, this is something that might be beneficial. I mean, I commute every day, so, well, at least Monday through Friday, and this could be helpful. It's not some of the massaging seats that you would see in some of the other vehicles, but you know, this at least has a feature that you can add to your vehicle, and to any vehicle for that matter. I might actually put it in my desk chair, to be honest with you. So, but not bad. So again, want to thank Tilliard for sending this out to me and testing it out. And again, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more, because we definitely have a lot more stuff coming up. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.